The system we saw moving yesterday afternoon into the overnight and morning hours today, it really depended on where you were at. Some people saw a few sprinkles and some people saw pretty strong storms.
Exactly, and that heavier rainfall too was really one of the bigger factors.
Absolutely.
And we had some flooding across the area, and here is why. Again, these are some of the estimated rainfall totals across the area, and notice how a lot of them are leaning toward an inch, if not well over an inch of rain, especially that one swath going from Martinsburg in the eastern panhandle all the way down through much of northern Virginia. This is where we had several flood reports near Winchester and back toward Fauquier County. And then we had another swath when that heavier rain moved to the east overnight into this morning. We saw some flooding in Montgomery and Fairfax counties, where it is likely we see more flooding just given the urban setup that we have in those counties. But thankfully, it looks like the rainfall is done with us. We still have had some shower activity now across southern Maryland, but even that is pushing off to the south and east. Still plenty of cloud cover, some light drizzle to go around out there, but we have a little bit of clearing taking shape back across western Maryland and West Virginia as we're finally seeing the last of this storm system pull away off the coastline here with a cold front dragging in behind it. And once that's completely clear of the area here today, we're going to see things switch back over to what they had been, a lot more on the sunny side and also the hot side. But at least for right now, with the clouds in place, there you go. Very cool temperatures for late June in the 60s to the east. Where there has been a little bit of sunshine, though, to the west, it's warming up in the upper 70s and lower 80s. So we'll still see that divide as we go through the rest of the day today. Staying cool and damp for the most part with those areas of fog developing tonight. Yes, with the recent rainfall, it's going to be very easy to have that fog development. Keep it around, too, with light and variable winds tonight. We'll go right back to that summer heat this weekend, starting tomorrow, 80s, then the 90s, and stormy weather. It looks like it's going to hold off for a nice quiet stretch, at least until Monday for us. That'll be the next day to keep a close eye on. So there you go. The shower activity continues to move eastward, but look at how the cloud cover is going to stay ever so stubborn, especially east of I-81 into the night tonight. Now, once the clouds dissipate, there will be fog filling in its wake, so we're going to keep with a gray look to the sky one way or the other into the morning tomorrow before some true sunshine kicks in on your Friday afternoon. And here's how those temperatures will be affected. You'll still see that divide today near 70 to the east, warmer temps to the west with a late warm-up taking shape today given the rainfall and cloud cover that's been around. Tonight, we will see a decent drop in temperatures, at least back down into the low to mid 60s, not staying all that mild as compared to recent overnights. And then as we go into the day tomorrow with that sunshine breaking out and a slight southerly wind taking shape, we should climb all the way back into the 80s, and then the warmer weather is back in play as we'll stay warm and quiet straight through Saturday and pretty much all of Sunday. I don't expect to see any rainfall until possibly Sunday night, and then Monday looks like the next chance we'll have a cold front swinging through with scattered rainfall and storms in the mix before another quiet stretch through the middle of next week.